Hello everyone, this is Muhammad. I made this life tracker and it's specially made for those who want to track their practice in Ramadan. I have a special corner for Ramadan and things that you can do in Ramadan, and I'm basically going to walk you through how to use this Notion template to be able to maximize on your deen and just keep track on your practice. The first thing would be Du'a for Ramadan, and it has, let me just open it here. So this is the format of how the dua is going to be presented to you. It's going to have English and the reference, and also how you can pronounce it in Arabic and the Arabic as well. It's going to happen automatically. So whenever the next day comes, you're going to see a different dua again. And here are the names of Allah, so you can study them and write your reflections upon them. Once you finish reflecting, or you wanted to write down something, you would be able to write it down here, and then you would tag it as studied. And once you tag it, it would disappear from there, so you can go on with the next one. The next part is for reciting Quran. You will be able to read and follow along with how much you read. So this is the first juz of Quran. You basically just press this link here and it will take you to a screen where you can read the first juz. Similar thing. So once you read it, you're gonna just tag it as read and it's going to disappear. So notice now it's not here, and so on and so forth. And this is basically for the Ramadan corner. And here are the normal day activities if you want to just do something from your day-to-day habit not related to Ramadan. You're just going to press one of those buttons here. It is new task. If you wanted to create a new task for yourself, you're just going to click on the new task. It will show, are you, this is not to just press by mistake. That's why I have this confirmation. So sometimes I do press it by mistake if I'm using my phone. And once you press it, it will give you this confirmation and you can press continue or cancel. Once you continue, there is a new task here and you would just have this list of things to do. So you would be just creating your to-do list and check them one by one. If you have done part of them, you can just simply tap out of it and you will find a new task here still available for you. So once you click on all of them, you just press all done button and it will automatically done it for you here, disappear from your tasks. And then we would have the journal part. This was just an example. I was breaking down what format that I did use for my personal journaling. I use a method called the 6321. So this is just the main event. So when I'm writing the day about a day, I would name that day with the most prominent thing that happened during that day. So something that would help me remember that day. And well, for today's example, it's just going to be this new video. And basically, I will be writing down 6 highlights of the whole day, and then take 3 of those 6 highlights and make sure that I'm grateful for those 3 things. And then out of all 6, I would choose 2, maybe good or bad, it doesn't matter. I would reflect on them and maybe figure out something I didn't do or plan on doing it better. And the last thing is I would choose one thing I might not have mentioned in the 6 highlights. Maybe it's just something that I missed on and I'm planning on improving. So I would just have it in my mind as something to improve in the future. How I write my journals and tasks. And one last thing about Ramadan as well. But you can just consider it for Ramadan. You can also listen to Quran outside of Ramadan. So this button here, I created it to take you to another Spotify list, the whole Quran. So you can just play Quran and be able to. So that is basically it. This area here is going to be dedicated to this video where you would be seeing how to use this tracker and what kind of things that you are able to do with it. Maintenance button is to just follow up on things that have been done and see if there is anything that you've missed, or just to basically maintain the functionality of your tracker. See you on the next one.